What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, today's video is going to be an extreme, yes girl, I said extreme, clean and declutter with me. You guys, I do not know how I let my toddler's room get this out of control, but don't you sweat. By the end of this video, it shall be spick and span. But before we get into this video, let me introduce myself to anyone that is new to my channel. My name is Onesetta, and I hope that you guys enjoy my video enough to click that subscribe button and join my beautiful online community. If you're not new, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every time that I upload a video. Now let's get into this messy room, girls.
Wrote to you a simple text, reminiscing about the time when we first met. I don't know what is good enough, 'cause baby, little by little you wear me down. Little by little my actions won't be forgiven. I wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm, but nothing I can say or do will make it come undone. So even though I hate the thought of leaving you, I hope you come to terms and have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours, sincerely yours. I still haven't heard anything from you. You say love is a fool, and so I am too. I really don't know if it's good enough, 'cause baby, little by little you wear me down. Little by little my actions won't be forgiven. I wish I could be sorry for the things that caused you harm, but nothing I can say or do will make it come undone. So even though I hate the thought of leaving you, I hope you come to terms and have it in your heart to end it all. You're better off alone. Sincerely yours.
So this box here is going to be one of our many donation boxes. When I tell you guys, it took me all day to go through and sort through all of these toys and just to clean and declutter this room, you guys. It literally took me all day. You guys will notice later on in the video that there's a lighting change. Yeah, that's because I started when it was daylight and then it turned night. But I shall never let this room get like this again.
Better off alone. Sincerely yours. Sincerely yours. Sincerely
And boom, there goes that lighting change.
every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul
So do y'all remember that show, The Big Comfy Couch? Yeah, her bed was like the big comfy bed because she had all kinds of stuff tucked away under there. I felt like Lunette the clown pulling stuff from under there.
Passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. 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 You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for your
And now for my absolute favorite part of the video, the before and after. You guys, can I just say that this room 100% absolutely completely looks like a brand new room. And I vow to never, ever, ever, ever let this room get like this again. Like seriously, look at this mess, you guys. And then just wait for it, wait for it. Y'all gonna see this after and it's gonna be like, wow. But I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you guys will consider sticking around and subscribing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys are alerted each and every time that I upload a video. I love you guys so much for watching. Once again, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.